this for granted. We do appreciate you guys coming here to celebrate with us at Chloe's 18th birthday. So thank you guys. And no, you'll do the message. And what do you call this? Special thanks also to Miles for pulling this off together. From logistics and the smallest detail of the event, she made it like possible. Yeah. So thank you. So yeah, thank you, Han, for making this possible and for pulling this off together. And to boss Ariel, who drove all the way from Calgary. Boss, thank you so much. And for the rest of the guys who made this possible, what's his name? Gerard, thank you so much. Thank you. Reclaim Studio, Ariel Regado, photography, thank you. Jenny's Events, thank you so much. Northeast Beats, yeah, thank you so much, guys. MJ of Balloon Kingdom, thank you so much. Yeah, and for the messages, for Chloe, you'll do the message.
Okay. Yeah, thank you everyone for joining us tonight as we celebrate our eldest 18th birthday. So I actually prepared this early on and wanted to give you this gift. It's a book called Powerful Prayers for Women. Actually, when I started my life here by myself, I had this book. And it wasn't easy because I left you when you were a year and a half. And that book helped me overcome all the challenges. So like this book will actually guide you whatever you're feeling, you're being sad, happy, confused. Just check for a prayer and there's something in here and it's gonna help you navigate whatever you're going through. So as you step into this new chapter of life, always remember that you are surrounded by the power of prayer and the endless love of your family. Prayer is a source of strength, guidance, and comfort, and it's always there for you even when words are hard to find. Trust in it and in the love we have for you, your family, which will never waver. Always remember that you are capable of amazing things, and with faith and love, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Know that we're here for you, cheering you on every step of the way. So we know, Ate, that transitioning into adulthood is very challenging, right? Because it's more of like you want to stay young, have fun, but then expectations that you're an adult now, that you will be more responsible when you make decisions that you know you already know which is right or wrong. But don't feel pressured because mistakes, challenges are really part of the journey. What is more important is that you pick up the lesson from those mistakes, and then later on, no challenges can actually break you. So always remember when it seems like there's no answer to the things in your mind, just pray and you'll find that answer. And always remember, we love you. And as your family, no matter what, will stick with you. We love you, Ate, and happy birthday.
By the way, the hall is reserved till 12 midnight, so whoever wishes to stay can stay.
Thank you so much.